Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Blockchain Bernie with my latest episode, broadcasting live, as always, from fabulous Las Vegas. This episode is about our incentivized DevNet, and man, I am so excited. We are in countdown mode. It is less than 5 days until it's really starting out. And let me tell you why this DevNet is so important to us, because it is our cluster, a real blockchain cluster, right? We're starting out as a fork of Solana, but then we are building all our functionality in there. It's going to be that permission chain. It's going to be it's going to have the storage layer. It's going to connect to our own storage blockchain. It's going to eliminate that dreaded proof of space-time that we have in other blockchains, and we're building that out step by step. And the core of it all is our validator software. So with that node licenses that you guys bought to help us fund our development, you have the right to use that validator software on our blockchain. And we are adding functionality as we speak to build out the Xandeum vision, which is to add a scalable storage layer to smart contracts, which is going to change the world. So we are super excited about it. We know that for you guys, it is an additional effort, right? You'd have to have some hardware to run it on. It could be hosted in a data center, which costs money, or it could be your own hardware, costs also money. So that's why we're giving you a boost in your rewards. You get the Xand rewards for each and every node. Right now, it's about 50 Xand roughly per day. You see it in our node store, get.xandeum.com, link in the description. And then if you want to have the rewards reiterated, there's also the link in the description about our incentive structure. It's in our blog post. Check the link in the description. You can get a rewards boost of up to 25x. So that means it is not only 50 Xand a day. If you're number one coming in and buy the first additional node, it can be 25 times that, right? So 25 times 50, that is, 10. If you come out later, like 10 times 50, that's already 500. If you get a 20x boost factor, that's 1,000. And if you get a 25x boost factor, that's 1,250 Xand each and every day for the duration of this incentivized DevNet program, which is 6 months at the beginning, right? And it might be extended, but it might get extended on a different terms or whatever, but the initial term is 6 months. So if you want these boosted earnings, right, make sure to get your additional node, all the incentives in the other video that I made a few days ago, and also in the blog post that is linked down in the description. And as I said, this DevNet will be our cluster where we test out all the new functionality that we're building into the validator software. So we will be step by step realizing our vision on that DevNet. We're so excited, so many people have already signed up and to help us run that DevNet. And then once we're done and we have the full functionality, or at least, some major functionality in that validator software, we might launch a incentivized testnet program. So the testnet will be mainly for performance testing for software that is already done, that is, deemed to be running in production on mainnet. We run it in testnet first before it goes into mainnet. But, for the next 6 to 12 to 18 months or so, we're developing our mainnet. There is no mainnet like around the corner in the next few weeks. So there will only be the DevNet for a few months to come now. And once we're approaching the DevNet launch, there will be a testnet as well, and we will have an incentivized testnet program also. So I'm super excited. All of this is becoming a reality. We are going to have a real DevNet with probably 50 nodes at least, or something like that, which is perfectly fine. We don't want to have hundreds and hundreds of nodes in our DevNet because that all adds overhead communicating with all the different nodes among each other and stuff like that. If you want to know the hardware requirements, the networking requirements, all in the blog post about our incentivized DevNet. Thank you all in advance. And again, this is a timed offer, right? In order to get these, so everyone that already has a node gets a 2x boost factor, right? So that's our thank you for everyone that's already bought a node in the past and then gets into the additional effort of actually running that node. We're offered the 2x boost factor. But if you get a new node and help us fund our business in the future, we're giving out big rewards, this time up to 25x in Xand rewards boost. So if you have any interest in getting another node, now at the launch date, next Tuesday, August 29th, 9 a.m. Pacific, that's the time to be there. And if you're the first, you get a 25x boost factor in your Xand rewards for the duration of 6 months. It might even get extended, we don't know. And if you come in second, you get a 24x boost. And if you come in third, you get a 23x boost, right? So that's all great stuff. And the boost factor will go down every minute though. So if there's no purchases within 1 minute, we will go down that 1% anyway, right? So let's say we sell 3 in the first minute, right? 25x, 24x, 23x, right? And then in the second minute, say we're not selling any node, right? Then it'll still go down from 23x to 22x, and the next minute to 21x. So that to the latest, after 25 minutes, after the 9 o'clock on next Tuesday, the boosted rewards will be gone. So if there's any interest in getting a lot of Xand into your wallet, way before we are listed on any exchange, way before we do our ICO and stuff like that, this is your opportunity now, right? Be there next Tuesday, August 29th, 9 a.m. Pacific. And if you have any questions on how it all works, just join our Discord, ask your questions there. Link for the Discord is down in the description. Also, link for the Discord is very easy. You just go to Xandeum.com and go to our website, and in the top right, you see the Discord link. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to give me that like button because it's super important for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you in advance. I really appreciate it. Also, subscribe to my channel. The announced videos of my Web3 bull case, bear case, mid-range case are coming up right after the DevNet launch. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys, and catch you later.